worksheet number 3. So question number 2a, construct an angle. So number 1, 30 degree. So with help of scale and protractor we will construct an angle. So first we have to draw a ray. Ray means one side endpoint and one side arrow. So we will draw a ray with any length we can draw. So from 0 to we will take. Now we are drawing the draw ray of length 5 centimeter. Okay, so one side endpoint and one side arrow. So we will give the name BC. Now with help of protractor we have to construct an angle. So we have to keep this middle point, means center point of the protractor on the point B. So we will keep the center point on B, and now we have to see where 30 is coming. Okay, we have to see the inner scale. Okay, so from where right hand side 10 is starting and it goes to left hand side 180 degree, right? So 30. So here it is coming 30. So we will make a point, and now we have to join. Give name A. So this is the angle ABC of 30 degree. Now next, number 2, 65 degree. So first we will draw a ray of any length we can draw, one side arrow and one side endpoint. So we will give the name EF, and we will put the center point of the protractor on point E, and we have to draw 65 degree, right? So we will see between 60 and 70. So this big line is there. So this is the 65. So we will make a point. Now we will join. Here D. So angle DEF of 65 degree. Now number 3, 90 degree. So first we will draw a ray. One side endpoint and one side arrow, X, Y. Now we will put the protractor endpoint on X, and we have to draw the 90 degree, means right angle. Okay, straight. So here we will put the mark 90 degree. Here it will come. So now we will join. We will give the name WXY, 90 degree. It's a right angle. Now number 4, 120 degree. So first we will draw a ray and O, any name we can give. So we will put the protractor on center point of the protractor on point N. Now we have to draw 120 degree. So where 120 is coming? Here. Okay, so we will mark this, and now we will join. M and O. This is the angle of 120 degree. Now number 5, 145 degree we have to construct. So first we will draw the ray. One side endpoint and one side arrow. We will give name PQ. So we will put the center point of the protractor on P. Okay, so now we have to construct 145. 145 means 145 will come between 140 and 150, right? So we have to see the big line. So here is the 145. So we will mark it, and now we will join. So this is the angle of 145 degree, and here we will give name S. Now question 2b, draw a line segment. So number 1, 5.3 centimeter. Okay, so here with help of scale only we will do the line segment. So first we have to draw 5.3 centimeter length of line segment. So from 0 to we have to start. From 0, 5.3 means till we will take 5. After that we will count 3 small lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So now we will give the name AB. This is of line segment of 5.3 centimeter. Now number 2, 3.8 centimeter. So from 0 we have to start. From 0. Okay. So 3 up to we will take, then after 8. So the big line is the 5, then after we will count 6, 7, 8. We will give the name CD. This is the line segment of 3.8 centimeter. Now number 3, 6.5 centimeter. So we have to start from the 0. Okay, from 0. So first we will take up to 6, then up to 5. Means between 6 and 7, the big line middle there, up to there we will take. Okay, and we will give the name MN. This is the line segment of 6.5 centimeter. Now number 4, 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter is easy. Directly we can take measure from 0 to 8. From 0 to 8. Okay. Give the name PQ, 8 centimeter. Now number 5, 4.6 centimeter. So this also will start from 0. From 0 to 4. Then after this big line is the 5. Then one small line we will take after big line, that is 4.6. CD. This is the line segment of 4.6 centimeter. Okay children, this way you have to do the remaining sums from PDF. Thank you.